Looking for the best 3-quart air fryer that cooks fast, saves counter space, and still gives that perfect crunch? I've been testing a bunch of compact air fryers lately, and some of them honestly surprised me. These small but mighty machines can whip up crispy fries, juicy wings, and even desserts, all with little to no oil. Whether you're cooking for 1 or 2 people, or just want a quick, healthy dinner after work, a 3-quart air fryer is a total game changer. After comparing performance, ease of cleaning, and real-world results, here are my top picks that truly deliver. You can check out the updated links with the best deals in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 5. CRUX X Marshmello 3.0 Quart Digital Air Fryer. If you love fun kitchen gadgets, the CRUX X Marshmello 3.0 Quart Air Fryer will make you smile. Its Turbo Crisp technology gives food that perfect golden crunch while keeping the inside moist. I liked how it heats evenly. Fries and chicken wings came out crisp without flipping. The touchscreen is simple to use, and the 60-minute timer with auto shutoff adds peace of mind. It's great for small households or dorms since it fits up to 2.5 pounds of food. I also appreciate that it comes with silicone cupcake molds, which is a cute extra for anyone who likes baking snacks. On the downside, the exterior can get warm, so be careful when handling it right after cooking. Still, for style, ease, and compact power, this Marshmello edition is a fun pick among the best 3-quart air fryers. Number 4. Bella 3Cute Manual Air Fryer and 5-in-1 Multicooker. The Bella 3Cute Manual Air Fryer is ideal if you prefer simple controls without digital fuss. Its manual knobs make it easy to set temperature and time, perfect for beginners or anyone who wants no-nonsense cooking. I liked how quickly it heats up, and its circular heat technology cooks food evenly every time. It doubles as a 5-in-1 multi-cooker, letting you air fry, bake, broil, roast, or reheat with ease. During my test, fries came out light and crispy, while chicken stayed juicy. The basket and crisping tray are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup effortless. Its matte blue color also adds a pop of charm to the kitchen, especially for small US apartments or college dorms. The only drawback is that it's a bit bulky for tight counters. But overall, this is one of the best 3-quart air fryers for everyday, fuss-free meals. Number 3. NUWAVE Brio 3-quart Digital Air Fryer. The NUWAVE Brio 3-quart air fryer brings precision to compact cooking. Its digital touchscreen makes it easy to control temperature and time with one touch. I liked that it lets you adjust from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can crisp fries or gently warm leftovers without burning. Its nonstick coating releases food easily and wipes clean in seconds. The 3-quart size is just right for small families or singles, fitting snacks or dimmer portions comfortably. I noticed how consistent it was. Every batch cooked evenly thanks to its precise heat circulation. It also comes with a recipe book that helps you try new dishes fast. The unit is a little heavier than some others, but it feels sturdy and built to last. If you're looking for a compact air fryer that's accurate and durable, the NUWAVE Brio is a solid mid-range choice. Number 2. DEIME Air Fryer 3-quart. The DEIME 3-quart air fryer is one of the most budget-friendly models I've used that still performs like a champ. It preheats fast and goes from frozen to crispy in minutes, perfect for those nights when you just want dinner quick. The touchscreen is responsive, and you can set time and temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit easily. I love how quiet it is. It doesn't roar like some air fryers do. Its compact shape saves counter space while still offering enough room to cook for 1 or 2 people. The basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup simple. For US users in small apartments or RVs, this model fits right in. If I had to nitpick, the display could be brighter. Still, for the price, it's one of the best 3-quart air fryers for small spaces and quick, healthy meals. Number 1. Deluxe Electric Air Fryer plus Oven Cooker. The Deluxe Electric Air Fryer easily tops the list when it comes to the best 3-quart air fryer for everyday use. What I love most is how it makes healthy cooking simple. Using air crisp technology, it reduces added fat by up to 80% while keeping every bite crispy and flavorful. I've made fries, wings, and even brownies in it, all turned out golden and evenly cooked. Its 3-quart capacity is perfect for 1 or 2 people or even a small family. The manual temperature dial and timer are easy to adjust, making it beginner-friendly yet reliable. I also appreciate the built-in auto shutoff, which prevents overcooking and adds peace of mind. The Cool Touch handle is another thoughtful feature that keeps safety in check. Designed in the US, this model feels sturdy and looks stylish, especially in its retro aqua color that brightens up any kitchen. Cleanup is quick since the nonstick basket wipes clean in seconds. If you want an air fryer that's compact, efficient, and dependable, the Dash Deluxe 3-quart air fryer is a clear winner. It delivers great taste, simple operation, and reliable quality, all in one sleek package. Final verdict. If you're looking for the best 3-quart air fryer, the Dash Deluxe electric air fryer stands out for its reliability, ease of use, and great cooking results. It's ideal for families, singles, or anyone who loves fast, healthy meals. For a more affordable pick, the DEIME 3-quart air fryer offers great performance in a compact design, perfect for dorms or small apartments. Each of these models has its own charm, but Dash takes the lead for overall quality and user experience. Subscribe for more gear reviews and check the description for the best deals on all these machines.